Hi guys, in this series of workshop, I'm going to cover up the different type of topic which you've not seen, especially in the CAT exam, which are not coming in the CAT exam. Uh, Vocabulary, grammar, DI, calculation based, data sufficiency. So I'll pick up each of them one by one, give the complete syllabus so that those who have given CAT exam and now want to focus on non-CAT exam, we can go deep down into each of this topic and become expert. और जिसको मैथ्स पसंद नहीं है, DI can be a savior for you. Hi guys, today at CET King we are going to do DI based calculations. So in case you want to join our program, you can call us on any of the numbers given here and my team can help you out. So you want to join us for mocks, books, whichever program you want to join, you can join. But DI is one area. If you hate quant, you have to improve your DI. That's one simple line answer. Yeah. So those who don't like quant, DI is one of the area which you can score. And almost all the non-CAT exam, the weightage of quant and DI, DS is almost same. Look at NMAT exam. Exactly half the number of questions based on DI, half the number of questions based on maths quant. Take CT example. 25 questions based on 30 questions based on DI, 20 questions based on quant. So DI is important, especially the calculation based DI. So in this video, we'll talk about all the type of questions which are coming, the syllabus you should understand. I will start with my favorite topic, which is your pie chart. Pie chart किसको पसंद नहीं आता यार? All of us like pie charts. But problem with the CET ka paper, NMAT ka paper, all these exams is pie chart will not be single pie chart. Pie chart will come with a table. Yeah. So you have to understand the table, then solve the question. And the problem is to be solved in 60 seconds. Okay. For example, film production in 19%, which is totally 4,500, which is in the ratio 5:4. तो उसका वैल्यू निकालो, इसका वैल्यू निकालो. तो जो टाइम लगता है यार, it's a donkey work. Yeah. As compared to CAT, this is much more easy, but problem is we don't have time. Okay, this is the one fundamental issue which we are going to face. Same way, I like bar chart, pie chart, दोनों एक ही बात है. Same data, if I give you like this, it will become a line graph. Yeah, but again, the problem is line graph will not come alone. It will come with a table. So there'll be a table and this. So we are looking at the multiple charts. So this is the main fundamental issue we are going to have. So if I summarize the complete syllabus here for DI, and this is what you have to focus on each of them one by one. In case you are joining our program, we are going to take care of that. All these things we have to complete in by December 31st. So let's summarize the complete scope here. So bar chart is the first chart, bar chart with plus plus, bar chart, line chart, with a table, with a circle, with something. अकेला नहीं आएगा bar chart with something आएगा. दो bar chart आ गया, दो line chart and bar chart आ गया. So anything is a combination of the few other things as well. That's the most common type of question. Okay. Number two on the list is pie chart. So double pie chart. Single pie chart is very uncommon. Double pie chart is the most common thing you can find out. So they will giving you two circles, two pie chart, one data you have to use for the other data. Yeah, this is the second most type. And if I add tables as well, this complete your syllabus. So all the non-CAT, non-CET exam, this is the syllabus for you. Bar chart and tables. Now, if I add CET as well, caselet, very common set in CET. Caselet. Now, CAT का खत्म, उनका सिलेबस खत्म हो गया. अभी I'm adding the non CET here, non-CAT is over. Ratio based DI. This topic is coming for the last 5 years now. Okay, and fill the blanks. So if I add these things, this will complete your full scope from the CET point of view. Now all these things combined is a full scope from the CET point of view, which I wanted to focus on. So इसका एक screenshot ले लो and start solving each of them. Start solving each of this topic one by one. Yeah, and in case you want to join us, we are going to cover up all these topics by 31st of December for all the, firstly for all the non-CAT, non-CET exam, all this topic, and then we'll focus on pure CET topics as well. Yeah, बाकी पहले तीन CET में भी आते हैं, बाकी जगह भी आते हैं. नीचे वाले टॉपिक प्योर CET में ही आते हैं. So this is here the typical example of a fill in the blank based DI. So here you have to understand the topic. So all the values are given here, you have to find the total, or they've given the total, find the individual values of ABC. So this is a typical set you will find in fill in the blanks. So now this can come in IFT, this can come in ZAT, this can come in CET and CAT. for exam where we find the DI curve. So that's a complete syllabus from the DI point of view, which is totally different from the CAT exam. And in case you want to join us for today's workshop, we are launching our paid program, online, complete online program. So just call us on any of the numbers given here, or you can just you can join us for the mocks, books, or the complete program. All right, but this is the scope you have to focus on.